never seen it this bad. I mean, it goes way back there, past that hill. That little force field they got over there, catching all that debris. Damn! That shit's going everywhere. I hope y'all can see it all. This guy shit's about to fly out. The enemy is flanking from the left. Look at these guys ducking for cover out here. Especially these guys, these workers, man. Watch, the dude keeps getting hit by shit. It's hilarious. Let's see if I can catch it. Enemy, move in! Enemy being the wind, of course. There it comes. Ooh. Ooh. I saw him get hit earlier by some sheetrock. Just having some fun while I sit out here and wait for an hour. Wind apocalypse. 2/14/2022. Oh shit. It's 2/12. Oh shit. Oh shit. The shit's coming in. It's coming in hot. Coming in hot. Woo! She ain't gonna come back. That woman came to my car to tell me where to park. I don't think she's gonna get blown away. Look at this shit. What? Shit is literally flying in the air. Oh shit, I don't even want to get out.
Hey, it's getting crazy out here.
Yeah, man, it's crazy.
Good day to be inside. I'm gonna see if there's one more space over there for you.
Okay, buddy.